Backlog is a popular project management and team collaboration platform designed to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Upon landing on the homepage, you're greeted with a sleek interface that highlights its main features, such as task tracking, bug management, and team collaboration tools. One of the first things you'll notice is how easy it is to create a new project. You can add tasks, assign team members, set deadlines, and track progress with just a few clicks. Navigating the dashboard is intuitive, with clear visual indicators of project status, upcoming deadlines, and team activity. There's a sidebar that offers easy access to different project views, including Kanban, Gantt chart, and a simple task list. This flexibility allows you to choose the layout that works best for your workflow. The task creation process is straightforward. You can add a description, attach files, set priorities, and even break tasks into subtasks, making it easier to manage complex projects. The drag-and-drop functionality on the Kanban board is smooth, allowing you to move tasks through different stages without any hassle. Backlog also includes features for bug tracking, which is particularly useful for software development teams. The issue tracking system lets you report bugs, assign them to specific team members, and keep track of their resolution. This feature integrates well with the rest of the project management tools and helps keep everything organized. For collaboration, Backlog allows you to comment on tasks, mention team members, and attach files, ensuring smooth communication throughout the project lifecycle. Notifications keep everyone updated on changes, making it easy to stay on top of tasks and deadlines. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to get more insights and explore additional tools that can help you improve your productivity. In terms of integrations, Backlog supports a range of third-party applications, including GitHub, GitLab, and Slack, making it easy to sync your work across different platforms. The mobile app is also handy for managing projects on the go, allowing you to view tasks, leave comments, and make updates wherever you are. Overall, Backlog stands out as a solid project management solution, particularly for software development teams. It combines essential features with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both small teams and larger organizations. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tools and platforms.